UK insurance companies very much under pressure today, pretty much across the board after news from Direct Line suggesting today that profitability is going to be hit because of the recent cold snap, which has increased the number of claims coming through for both household and motor insurance, and also the fact we got rising inflation, which is putting added extra costs into claims that are now coming through the system. Let's take a look at the share price chart. Big declines you can see quite clearly on the right-hand side of this chart here, with the daily candle showing us disappearing below this prior line of support at 171, but currently down by a margin of 28%. So Direct Line having lost more than a quarter of the entire market cap of the business. The company also saying this morning it no longer expects to declare a final dividend for 2022. So big is the impact from these two facts that have come in and have given the shock, not just to Direct Line, but to the entire insurance industry. This is Admiral Group, just by comparison. Now, this stock is now down just 7.8%. We have seen it down almost double that amount earlier on in the session in today's trade. All this follows a warning last July on the threat from rising inflation for the entire sector. And we see many insurance companies affected by this news this morning.